We are pleased to show you the 2015 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, OnStar, remote engine start, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, alloy wheels, backup camera. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.